Welcome to Warhammer 40,000, the world's most popular tabletop wargame. Set in the grim darkness of the far future, Warhammer 40,000 is a game of epic battles, fought between armies of heroes, villains, and incredible monsters. Players collect, build, and paint armies of amazing miniatures, and play thrilling games of strategy, using tactics, skill, and a little bit of luck to determine the winner. To play a game, you'll need some models, measurers, dice, and a place to play. You'll also need a friend to join in the fun. In this series of videos, we're going to teach you the basics of how to play a game of Warhammer 40,000 for yourself. We'll show you how to set up your army, how to blast your foes, charge your troops across the battlefield, and resolve brutal close combats. By the time we're done, you'll be able to start your own conquest of the galaxy, playing your first games with confidence. Let's begin.